Hi friends, in today's lecture, we would study everything about comparison operators in Microsoft Excel. So here you can see that we are having a set of 6 comparison operators in Excel. The first operator is referred to as equal to, the second operator is referred to as not equal to, third is less than, fourth is greater than, fifth is less than or equal to, and the sixth is greater than or equal to. Now here I am having two numbers and I would like to show you examples of how we can use these 6 operators. So we come into the result column and supposing we type is this number equal to this number. In this scenario, it is not equal to, so it will return as false. But if the numbers are the same, it will return it as true. Let me show you how you can do that. So since we are giving a formula, we'll begin with equal to, then we'll select the first number, then we'll type equal to, and then we'll give the second number. So this means is E5 equal to F5. In this example, it is not equal to, so it will return to us false. But had the number been the same, then it will return to as true. Now let us see the second example. In the second example, we are using an operator called as not equal to. So if we give an example, is this number not equal to this number? In this scenario, it is not equal to, so it should return as true. So we'll begin by equal to, then select the first number, then use the not equal to symbol, and then use the second number and hit enter, and it will return to us as true. Had the numbers been the same, then it would return it as false. Let us undo it. In the third scenario, we are going to use an operator called as less than. So here we'll say equal to is the first number less than the second number. In this case, yes, it is less than, so it will return to us as true. In the next example, we'll use the greater than. Is the first number greater than the second number? In this case, it is not greater, so it will return to us false. Now let us take the fifth example. Is the first number less than or equal to the second number? In this case, it is less than, so it will return to us as true. In the last example, we'll say is the first number greater than or equal to second number. In this case, it is neither greater nor equal to, so it will return to us as false. So these 6 operators are called as comparison operators in Microsoft Excel, and you will be using them multiple number of times in various formulas. So get familiar and acquainted with them. Hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to share, like and subscribe. And we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.